Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see here, I have a very dirty Black & Decker toaster oven that has not been cleaned for a long time. Look at this, very dirty, grease all over the glass door right there. If you look inside, it's very dirty. The tray, the metal racking right there, and the bottom tray is look inside it is how very dirty. This is a very dirty oven that has not been cleaned for a long time. Look at the bottom tray right here. Look at how dirty it is. And well, today I'm gonna attempt to deep clean this toaster oven by using toothpaste, toothbrush. All I need is just a pair of gloves so I won't dirty my hands, and some paper towel. So before you try to clean your oven right here, toaster oven, make sure you unplugged it. And I'm gonna do it on my sink counter right here. I put a plastic bag on the bottom, and let me show you how I do this thing. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm put on some gloves so that I won't get my hands dirty. Go remove all the tray and the thing right here, put in the kitchen sink. All right. It's all breadcrumbs and everything here. Clean all that out. This is just water, plain water right here. I'm gonna just spray a little bit to wet the inside I did. Okay. Do the same thing on the outside right here. This is a toothbrush right there. Put a little bit of toothpaste on. All right. I'm using Colgate. This one have fluorides in it. It's gonna take some time to do this. It's not a very easy process, but just keep going. See all the dirt and all the grease that's coming out. So I like to prefer to do the front first, and maybe before I start to clean the inside. Okay. You might want to have like a couple toothbrushes. I'm going to use a new one. All right. I'm going to sponge here. Coming out. You can see the grease and dirt that's coming out from the door. We'll repeat the process again. It's still not coming out completely, but spray a little bit of water, toothpaste, all that toothpaste. See, everything's come off. Look at that. Clean now as compared to before. This is a very old toaster that has never been cleaned before. Just take a wet cloth, just remove all the toothpaste, and it's very clean now. And for the tray, the dripping tray and the rack and the collecting tray right here, I soak in water, put a little soap in it and vinegar. I soak about 2 hours right here, and just take a sponge. Everything's kind of loose. Scrub it with a sponge. All right. Everything's clean, and if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.